Hey, sup, buds? So clients went with the gas line repair. What we got here, our main gas line that we ran above and across the support beams. As you can see, nice and straight shot, unlike our faulty and bent and needs to go old gas line. As you can see, we're gonna get that cut out section by section while we press all our new fittings into our new gas lines. All our new fittings will be pressed in for our hanging heaters that we have our new heat exchangers in. Everything will be prepped, of course, and pressed in. And then we should be good to go, where our forklift drivers shouldn't hit our gas lines anymore, huh? Everything's nice and above the support beams, where the forklift drivers, if anything goes up, they'll hit that instead. But hopefully they won't go up that high and hit anything at all, huh? So we're gonna go ahead and get these last couple fittings pressed in, and we're gonna get our old gas pipe cut and taken out, and get everything nice and going. So we got our main gas line fittings, our last fitting we're doing here. Gonna go ahead and press that in, get the system pressurized, soap bubble all our fittings, and if that goes well, no leaks, we're gonna go ahead and open all our valves to our equipment, bleed out our systems, and fire everything back up, and we'll go from there, huh?